can earn money online in a variety of ways. All you need is a computer or phone, a reliable internet connection, and this video, in which I will share with you 10 ways to make money online. So subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload new videos like this. There are two different ways to make money on the internet. The first is active income, which pays you only for the work you do. The second method is through passive income, in which all you have to do is put in the work once and the money should keep coming in without you having to do anything else other than maybe promoting what you've created, or in some cases, what other people have made. Now, let's get started with the list. Number 1. Upwork.com. Upwork is a freelance website. Businesses and individuals post services that they want to outsource on Upwork, such as article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. There are many jobs and services that are being outsourced to clean up work, and the best part is that the barrier to entry is low. You simply must excel at something. If you have a skill, such as graphic design or coding, or just about any other skill, go to Upwork and start making money. If you're thinking about working on Upwork, make sure you have a strong profile that looks professional. This greatly increases your chances of receiving job offers from potential clients. Putting your best work on display or emphasizing specific experiences can and will help you stand out. Number 2. YouTube. If you're creating a new YouTube channel from scratch, you'll need to meet the YouTube minimum requirement for monetization, which is 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers in the previous 12 months. You can start making money once you've achieved that point. You can earn as much money as you want on YouTube if you keep uploading good material that people want to watch. You may earn anywhere from $1 to thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can get more money if you receive more views. You gain more subscribers as well. You receive passive revenue from YouTube. Make a few videos and they should continue to make you money. You can also make money on YouTube via paid sponsorships, but you'll need a large audience to do so. It usually takes at least 10,000 subs to accomplish this. Affiliates are another way to earn money, but we'll get to that afterward. Number 3. Amazon. You can make money using Amazon in 3 ways. Amazon Mechanical Turk is the first option. It's a marketplace where businesses can outsource tasks that are too tough for a computer program to complete, such as audio editing and transcription, translating audio and video between languages, testing websites, writing reviews, and a variety of other services. Working on a few different activities can earn you up to $20 or $30 each hour. This is a legitimate approach to earning money that pays. This is, however, active income. Amazon Kindle Publishing is the second option. When you purchase an ebook from Amazon, both Amazon and the publisher profit, and you can as well. The problem with Kindle publishing is that you must first sell a book. You have the option of writing the book yourself or hiring someone to do it for you. You don't need to be a well-known author or work with a publishing house to do this. You may do this from the comfort of your own home and start making some extra cash. Isn't that fantastic? The best part is that it's completely free. Once you join and start earning money, Amazon will handle the money handling shenanigans, allowing you to kick back and relax on your couch while contributing to a good cause. The Amazon Associates program is the third option. All you have to do is join the Amazon Associates program, which is completely free. Then, you can choose from thousands of items on Amazon to sell and promote on your website. Amazon will provide you with a unique link, and Amazon will pay you a fee of 5 to 10% of the sale if someone purchases through your link. You will receive payment from Amazon 60 days after purchase. You can also choose to be paid via Amazon gift cards or wire transfer to a bank account. Although this is as of now only available in the United States, if you reside outside of the country, you can be compensated via checks or have the money transferred to your Amazon account and begin purchasing items with it. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace where product developers and affiliates can offer their courses or services to the general public. ClickBank only offers digital things. However, the commission compensation is far bigger than Amazon. Some affiliates will pay you up to 75% commission for selling their services. while others would only pay you 5%. As a result, bear that in mind. With that said, you can make a lot of money on ClickBank, perhaps hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. Simply go to ClickBank, pick something to sell, and start generating money. Number 5. Flippa.com. Flippa is the most popular online marketplace for buying and selling businesses. It has a large audience and great tools for increasing visibility. It's a similar auction site to eBay for selling and buying digital assets like websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you're good at creating apps or websites, you can sell them online and make money. Or if you have some money and want to buy websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already making money, you can do so with Flippa. You put a bid, similar to eBay, and if your bid is the highest, you have just purchased an internet business. You can also profit by selling your web enterprises. Number 6. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a marketplace where you can purchase and sell digital media such as photos, music, and video clips, which are mostly created by freelancers and third parties. You can monetize your talent on Shutterstock if you're extremely good at photography, take great photographs and films, or good at generating nasty beats. Every time someone buys one of your photos from Shutterstock, you get paid a commission, which might range from a few cents to a few dollars if you're lucky. The key to making a lot of money with Shutterstock is to upload high-quality photographs regularly. Number 7. Rover. Do you have any pets, particularly dogs? If so, you should look into Rover. Rover is a dog-sitting service that is only available in the United States and Canada right now. So if you live in either of those two countries, you can register as a dog sitter and get paid for babysitting dogs. You can earn between $80 and $100 per night simply by watching someone's dog. Simply babysitting someone's pet can earn you hundreds of dollars per week. Number 8. TakeLessons.com. Take Lessons is an online platform for teaching any skill. Everyone has a skill they can teach, whether it's a language, cooking, playing a musical instrument, solving hard math equations, or anything else you think someone else might not know. You can teach people to take classes and start earning money. Number 9. Fiverr. You've probably heard of Fiverr because it's a simple and easy way to start earning money. But if you haven't heard of it, it's a freelance website where you can outsource anything. I mean anything legal for as little as $5. On Fiverr, there are numerous ways to earn money. You can do animation, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandise, SEO, and much more. Number 10. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is essentially selling someone else's product for a small or huge profit without having to deal with the shipment. So you're essentially operating as a broker or middleman. You may achieve this by first creating a Shopify store and then connecting it to Oberlo. Oberlo is a Shopify integrated tool that many users use to find products to sell in their businesses. The basic idea behind dropshipping is that you set up a store or any other channel where people can buy your products. When they buy something from you, you usually pay the manufacturer a lot less than you paid for it, and then have the manufacturer ship it to the customer. All of this happens without you ever seeing or touching the product. The best part about dropshipping is that you can set your price for the product you want to sell, keep your profits, and pay the manufacturer the remainder. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, see ya!